Okay, so now let's change our device again. So now instead of using color counters or spinner, we are going to use a dice. But this dice is magical in its own way because you can change the maximum number that should appear on the dice. Right now we are dealing with the addition up to 10. Okay, so your dice should not have numbers more than 5 because we are using two dice, right? So 5 plus 5, which is the maximum number on both the dice together, will be 10. Okay, so here I'm gonna choose number 5, and um, if you click on new, it is going to roll the dice. Okay, so my first dice has got 1 and the second one has got number 2. So now I'm gonna take 1 and number 2, and the addition is again going to come up here, which is 3. Now I'm gonna roll the die again. This time I've got 4 and 2. So I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna say first number is 4, second number is 2, and when they are put together, I get 6. And here you can also tally if the answer is correct. So if the student is not able to do this, mental math, then you can ask the student to come back and count the number of dots. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is total 6. Here the number is 6. Okay, so sometimes the student may get the correct addition using this, but may get confused with the numbers. Okay, so try to ask the student to do both. So sometimes our focus must be on using numbers. So the student should be able to do mental math like two more than four, or it could be four more than two, or it could be four and two put together. So how much is it? So you can suggest the student to use fingers, to do the math, or it could be a mental math. So since these are numbers from 0 to 10, the student should be able to use fingers very well. Okay, and if at all the student is getting confused with numbers or mental math, then the student can maybe come back and count the total number of dots and tally the answer. So this is something that is again fun for learning addition.